Hi, let's not use any hook right now and let's get to the point straight away. What is that pain that you are talking about that made you click on this video? What is that pain? The first thing that I want you to do is write it. Let me tell you the pain I'm having right now. I am feeling stuck from here to here. Like I feel like something has got stuck in my throat. And it's been weeks that I'm feeling that pain. I feel like crying, I feel like screaming, but I'm not getting a place to do it. Even if I would have done it, I still feel that pain. That pain, like here. It's like something is there in it. Something is there. So if you think I'm not getting that pain, I am getting it. So let's start it. If you think you are in pain, you should be able to know where you are feeling that pain too. In your throat, in your stomach, in your head, in your chest. Like wherever you are feeling that pain, just write it down without thinking, without giving us a thought, without thinking that you don't have a pen and a paper. Write it in the comment box, write it in your WhatsApp. Write to yourself. अगर तुम्हें लगता है you are in pain, you should be able to write it. और अब when you have written it, now sit with it. Don't try to distract yourself. Don't try to look for some quick fix. Don't try to erase it. Don't try to delete it. Just sit with it. Think about it. Give me 10 minutes. You will be able to at least do the work even if you are in pain. Don't run. Just sit with it. Think if it can get worse. You think that it seems like it is going to be there forever. Maybe it is going to be there forever, but are you going to be there forever? Are you're not going to be there forever on this earth, right? So no pain is going to be there forever. Even if you think it is going to be there forever and you don't want to live with it, and you feel like sometimes you also feel like dying, like I should do suicide or something like that, so just that pain gets over. वो pain से निकलने के लिए you just feel like sometimes that you should die. That is the only solution that is left. If you think that way, stick with me, watch it and we'll get into it. ज़्यादा psychology में नहीं जाना है. We are going to treat life as it is. Now let's talk about the possible reasons. क्या हो सकता है? Your family is not understanding you. They are accusing you of something you haven't done. They are not allowing you to live your life the way you want to live. Your partner is not providing for you like you wanted him to or her to. They are not available. They are not calling you. They are not messaging you or something like. They are not taking stand for you. They are not giving you surety. अब तुम्हें लगेगा कि I'm trying to convince you guys to skip all of it without saying that skip it. No, that is not the truth. I'm not saying don't feel pain. Why are you feeling pain? तुम्हें तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए. Of course होगी. It could be because of anything. It could be your family. It could be your partner. It could be your finances. Finances plays a very, very, very big role. And I know because I have been in debt. So I know how much pain does it give you. It is always on your mind. और आप कितनी भी कोशिश करो to not think about it, you cannot stop yourself from thinking about it. But the solution is not screaming or being in pain or crying over things के नहीं हो रहा है भाई, तू नहीं समझेगा. Listen to me very carefully. There is not a single pain that the other person hasn't faced. आप अकेले नहीं हो. Irrespective of कि आपको क्या पेन है इस टाइम पे, उसका क्या रीजन है, you are not alone. You are not the first person that is having that pain. But yes, so you could be that person who is not turning that pain into power, who is not choosing accountability to change it. So what do you need? You need perspective shift. You need to change your perspective, how you view that problem, that pain. How are you seeing it? You think life is over? Look at the people who don't even have their legs and they are still walking through life with the whole courage. Look at the migrated people who have lost everything, their people, their home, their finances, their money, their land, everything, every relationship in another country because of some dispute they didn't even wanted to have. They didn't even want it. Just think about it. Just think about those people. You need to shift your view. You need to look at the people who are going through a lot more difficult actual pain, who has been there and still chose to get over it and live their life, and that too with a smile. Assume कर लेते हैं तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप हो गया, तुमको बहुत तकलीफ हो रही है. Think about those people that have spent their life for 20, 25, 30 years. The siblings, the mom and son, the mom and daughter, the partners, they separated after 20 years because of the death. Just think of it. If you think तुम्हें तकलीफ है, अगर तुमको लगता है तुमको तकलीफ है, तुम पेन में हो क्योंकि तुम्हें कोई बात नहीं कर रहा, कोई समझ नहीं रहा है, तो think about those people who have just lost it, just lost everything. Do you really call this pain? This is not pain. This is life. ये जिंदगी है. This is life. You're not here to celebrate your birthdays, your anniversaries, be happy and live forever. You're not here for that. Now the perspective shift is done. You have changed your perspective. Now to how to move forward. The second thing that you need to do is have the faith. Have faith in Allah. Because if He has written something for you, it is going to happen. If He says kun, it is going to happen. And if He says it should not happen, it is not going to happen at all. Trust Him. Trust that He has written everything. And watch your pain turning into peace. Just watch it. Because there have been certain things in my life also. It is still happening. I'm sitting here. I told you guys that I'm in pain right now. But does that mean that I'll be on this bed, scroll whole day and just be like, yaar, nahi ho raha hai. I'm in pain. I'm not able to do anything. I'm not able to speak. I have to speak. Your pain from Him is not hidden at all. He wrote your story. Trust Him. Trust the writer, man. Trust the writer. Now the third thing that you need, जो काफ़ी लोग बोलते हैं, you guys would have read it, but आपसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. That is being grateful. Being grateful for the morning, for the day you are getting. वरना ये जो पेन का आपने रोना लगा रखा है, you are not going to even get a chance, a single second to cry about it if you are not alive. And just assume you are waking up healthier, your heart is working, your legs are working, every senses is working, and you are still crying that you are in pain, some emotional shit pain. Just think about the physical pain. You have no idea. Alhamdulillah, I haven't been in physical pain for a very long period of time. I haven't had any alhamdulillah, any injuries and anything. But I know how much it can cause a pain, because even in typhoid, I was in pain. I could not think about any other thing, any other person except that pain. That was the pain. That is a very slight, small portion of pain that लोग इससे कहीं ज़्यादा पेन में हैं, and they are suffering. They can't even scream. Or you still think that this is pain. You need to be grateful. We cannot wake up and complain for the day we have got. You should not. You need to have a grateful mindset. So what you need to do is have a lifestyle where you are sitting for 5 minutes and you are just mentioning the things that you are grateful for. You need to have that life. You need to have that either in the morning or at the night, but you need to have that thing. If you think you are in pain since a long period of time, even in last 3 days, 4 days, I don't care, but you need to change this thing. You need to change your perspective. You need to have faith on Allah, and then you will have to have a gratitude mindset. You need to. And the last thing that I want to say, if you still think that you are in pain, is life is not fair. Life is not fair to any single person, even to someone who did wrong to you, even to someone who did right to you. चाहे आपने किसी के साथ अच्छा किया हो, चाहे आपने किसी के साथ खराब किया हो, चाहे आप अच्छे हो, चाहे आप बुरे हो, life is not fair. But still आपको choose करना है fair होना. You have to. Even though life is not fair, it doesn't mean that you will start being unfair. You have to be fair, because you have to go back from where you have come. You have to. I hope from now you are not going to say that you are in pain. Even if you are in pain, do the work in pain, man. Do the work in pain. I'm making this video when I am in pain, and I'll keep doing this. Either I'm happy, in pain, I am going to do it all.